Okay, so this actually looks very good. Um, I was pleasantly surprised by your entire setup, actually, and how much work experience you have. That seems to be something that I need to work on, looking at mine compared to yours. Um, let's see, what else? A few things that I might work on. Um, I'd say if you have any volunteer work, add that because that's a great thing to have on there. If not, maybe work on that a little bit. Just do some easy, like, community service things, even on a weekend, maybe. Um, Maybe some noteworthy accomplishments you could fit in at the bottom underneath your personal experience and personal skills. And maybe a third thing to work on. I see that on your Bravo description, instead of having August 2018 to May 2016, I th I think flipping that would probably look a little better. That might have just been a little blur in the setup that you had there, because I think the rest of them you have it going from the year you started to the year you ended, so that's good. One more thing, I actually worked for Camp Highlander too just this past summer, so that's really cool. All right, nice work.